Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look how you can take a screenshot using back tap with double tap or triple tap on your iPhone running iOS 15. First, go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on accessibility. Then in here we tap on touch. In touch we go all the way down to the bottom and tap on back tap. At the top here you can choose double tap and then go down and tap on screenshot. Okay, so you can either set a screenshot to double tap or triple tap. I would suggest not to set both of them on screenshots, so you can reserve, say, one of the functions, one of the tap for another function, such as maybe flashlight. So maybe we can use triple tap for flashlight and double tap for screenshot. So now if I double tap right here around the center of the phone, that should take a screenshot. You need to tap on a little bit harder than normal. So you can see if I double tap on my phone, it will take a screenshot. So it doesn't matter whether you have your phone face down or face up. You can just double tap like that, and it should take a screenshot. Maybe if you do it too fast, it will not register the double tap. Maybe we need to slow down a little bit. If it's too slow, maybe you need to speed up until you find the right speed for the double tap. And there it is. So just play around with double tap and triple tap until you find the right speed. And here it is, triple tap, 1, 2, 3. So with triple tap, I can turn on the flashlight, or I can turn it off, 1, 2, 3, and that will switch off the flashlight. Now I wonder if you can triple tap or double tap somewhere else on the phone. So it doesn't need to be right on the center here. Look like the sensor can detect your tap around the surface of the phone around here. I wonder if it works on the side, so maybe just the back. Alright, so maybe just the back of the phone. So even if you tap on the camera, it actually works. So it doesn't really need to be at the center of the phone. It can be at the top here. Maybe it can be at the bottom. As you can see, it doesn't really matter where on the back of the phone. It should work just fine. It doesn't work on the side, or it doesn't work on the front screen, but it actually works on the back of the phone. So quite clever. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.